Good morning, grade 2 students. Welcome back to our teaching online class. How are you today? I hope that you are all fine. Anyways, are you ready for your lesson today? That's great. So to begin, let us bring out our materials. Please get your pencil and your reader's and writer's notebook, and also prepare your copybook. Do you have it all now? All right. Let's proceed to your objectives for today. So today, you're going to define what comma is, the usage of commas, and add comma to the sentences where they needed. You might ask what comma is, right? So comma is a punctuation mark that used as a mark of separation within the sentence. For further information on how to use it, let us have this. In your reader's and writer's notebook, please turn on page 523. Did you find the page? Alright, now let us discuss the usage of commas. So first, commas are used in addresses. Take a look and remember the first usage of comma. As you can see, we have the address St. Louis, then right after that name of that place, we put comma. Take a look on the screen. As you can see, that's how we're going to separate the name of the place to the rest of the address. Next, commas are used also in dates. So most of us, as a teacher, we write dates every morning on the blackboard. And as you can see, we put comma after the date of the day. May 10, comma, then the year. Or we can also write the date in this way. Thursday, comma, next the month of December 16. So remember how you're going to use comma in dates. Next, we have commas are used to begin and end a letter. If you remember, in writing a friendly letter, we have greeting and closing. So we put first comma right after the greeting and before we close our letter. So we have love Tony. We put comma before the name of the sender. Is it clear? Okay, now commas are used to separate three things or more in a sentence. Like for example, take a look on the sentence. Tony bought stamps, paper, and a pen. So in here, we're going to separate these three things. The stamps, then comma, paper, then comma again, and we have pen. So as you can see, we separated them using comma, right? So let us have a short recap of these usage of commas. So we use commas in addresses, dates, to begin and end the letter, and to separate three things or more things in a sentence. Is it clear? Very good. Now let us try. I have here examples. All you need to do is to guess where you're going to put the comma. So I have date, April 23, 2020. So where are you going to put the comma? Very good. We put comma right after the date 23. How about this greeting? Dear Yara. Where are we gonna put the comma? Can you guess? Very good. Dear Yara, then after the name, we put comma. How about this sentence? We rode, ate, and played. We're gonna put commas here. I give you a clue. I said commas. Excellent. So we put comma after the word rode and ate. Now let's try the next one. We have the closing of a letter. Lovely. So where we're gonna put the comma? Very good. We put right after the word love. So I hope some of you guessed the correct answer. Then the last one, we have the address. Chicago, Illinois. So where we're gonna put the comma? Very good. We put right after the name of the place, Chicago. I think you have the enough knowledge to do our classwork today. So, let me try. Please get your readers and writers notebook. Turn on page 523 first. Then after that, we're going to move to 528. Okay? Did you find the first page? Very good. So here, all you need to do is to add commas to the letter where they are needed. Take a look. This is a letter. So find where you gonna put commas. Okay? By this time, I want you to do it by yourself. Done? Okay, now let us find out. So we have first the address. Now where are you gonna put your comma here? Okay, 307 Hillside Drive, Dallas. TX is for Texas and 75220. So where are you gonna put the comma? Let us find out. Very good. That is right after the name of the place, Dallas. Next, how about in this date, June 28, 2011? Where you gonna put the comma? Very good. Did you put comma in here too? All right. Then next we have Dear Marie. This is a greeting part. So where you gonna put the comma? Excellent. That is right after the name of Marie. And where is the last one? So you're gonna put your comma in the closing part, your cousin, Anna. All right. So I hope you got all of these answers. Okay? Now to check, let us move to your next classwork. Please turn on page 528. In here, you're going to mark the letter of the group of words, the address, or the date that uses commas correctly. So I will not read for you, but just take a look. I'm just telling what is in here on each number. Okay? So mark the letter of your correct answer. So number 1, we have the address, Littleton. Okay? So which one is the correct one, or the one that used the comma correctly? Okay, done. Let's see what is the answer in number 1. So that is the letter A. We put comma after the name of the place, little time, okay? Next, number 2. It's a date. So which one is the correct? That use comma correctly. Let's check. That is letter C. We put comma after 12, November 12, comma, in the year 2007. Did you get the answer? Very good. Now let us move on in number 3. This is the greeting part. Dear Aunt Betty. So, in the greeting part, where we put comma, which one is correct? Done answering? Okay, let's see. So the correct answer is letter C again. We put comma after the name in greeting. So dear Aunt Betty. Number 4. So we have 3 things here. Ski, sled, and skate. But which one is correct? Is it the letter A, B, or C? Remember, commas are used to separate things in the sentence. So the correct answer is very good, letter B. We put comma after the word ski and sled. Did you get the answer? Okay, let's move to number 5. So we have 3 things again to separate. What is the correct answer? Choose your answer first, then we will check. We have boots, hat, and mittens. Okay, so let us check your answer. The answer is letter A. Look, we have boots, comma, hat, comma, and mittens. Last number, your niece Monica. So this is the closing part of a letter. So where is the correct answer? Where we're gonna put the comma here? If you are going to have your closing part, is it A, B, or C? Mark your answer. Alright, now let us find out. Which one is correct? That is letter B, your niece Monica. So we put it right after the word niece. Now, did you get the correct answers? Very good. Now you have the knowledge about commas. Now let us have a short summary of our lesson. So again, commas are used in addresses, dates, to begin and end the letter, and also to separate things inside sentences. No matter how many is that. Okay? 3 or more things, it's okay. As long as you know how to use commas. Okay? So that's all for today, students. Thank you for listening and keep on studying. Have a good day.